Good day, everyone watching me in this platform, students of Esan language and learners of Esan language. This platform is learnesan.org. The platform is for the teaching of Esan language. Our mission is to bring the teaching of Esan language to the doorsteps of every Esan person and their admirers. We are having a series of Esan essentials we are going to teach so that you now know how to speak, read, and write Esan language. First one we are starting with is the sounds you have in Esan language. There are 37 sounds in Esan language. These sounds are represented by letters of alphabet. The letters of alphabet in Esan is called Esan abidi. Just as we have in English, ABCD. There are 25 single letters, 7 double consonants, and 5 nasal vowels. We shall look at them one by one and be able to know how it is being pronounced so that you can use them in any word you are predisposed to. Thank you very much. Let's go to the board now to see. The letters of alphabet, as I earlier said, are the one as you can see on the board here. There are 25 single letters. These are the 25 single letters. We shall look at the way they are being pronounced one by one, starting from A, B, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, J, Z. Again, A, B, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, J, Z. The upper ones are written in capital letters, while the lower ones are written in small letters. We call them abidi nokwa, the capital ones. The smaller one, the small letters are called abidi nikere. You can say A nokwa, A nikere, B nokwa, B nikere, D nokwa, D nikere, A nokwa, A nikere, E nokwa, E nikere, F nokwa, F nikere, and so on and so forth. So we shall leave here to look at the single letters of consonants, which are 18 in number, to see the pronunciation and the words following them. These are the single consonants, single letters, which are called consonants. We have B, as we have in ba. Ba means to watch, because of D da means to drink wine. Fi to shoot. Ga to serve. Ha to piance. J to send. Ka to dry. Lo to cool. Ma to swell. Na to pass. Pien to press. Ra to scrub. Sa to bite of a snake. Ta to tell. Ver to increase. Where to say. Ya to smell. Z to choose. Again, we have B, ba, D, da, F, G, ga, H, ha, J, K, ka, L, lo, Mi, ma, Ni, Now, P, PM, Ri, Ra, Si, Sa, Ti, Ta, Vi, Ve, Wi, We, Ji, Ja, Zi, Z. These are single letters, consonants, and the words coming out of it, they have their different meaning. The first one, ba, that means to watch somebody, webame, or in a book member by my go, da, to drink wine, anyway, da, fi, to shoot, fiole, ga, means to serve, well, game, ha, to piens, Hollywood. J to send, J Joluhumo. Ka to drive, Upome Kali or car. Lo to cool, Ege lorry. Ma to swell, Ome marry. Na to pass or banner. Pien to press, Pien Lewoto. Ra to scrub, Rakowa. Sa to bite, Enye Sali. Ta to tell, Tamale. Ve to increase. Israel Mehrer Valley. We to say, or we Nivai. Ya to smell. Emi ya is on ya. Ze to choose. Aze Meka zero. That is how you find all of them. I'm just going beyond explanation. So we shall have all these words later on when we are forming words. These are primary words. Let's go to the next one. Now we go to double consonants. Double consonants, as we have here, we have V, and I tend to pronounce V and H to come out with V, as we have in every means goat. C and he, chi, as we have with cha or che, the bench. B, this is B, this one GB, B is one taken as one letter, Ubu. This is GH, as we have in Ego. This is he and he, that's K and H, as we have in Ahi. P is pronounced as Pli, Ukba. She, as we have in Osho. To pronounce all of them, we have this one, V, Chi, She. These are the double consonants we have. They are pronounced as one letter. They are taken as one letter each when you are writing an Esan word. Let's go to the next one for us to see. Now, there are, as I said, there are 7 oral vowels. Oral vowels are as pronounced here, A as we have in Aba, A as we have in Ebe, E as we have in Ehi, E as we have in Igwe, O as we have in Obo, O as we have in Obo, O as we have in Unu, A, Aba meaning father, E, Ebe meaning book, E, Ehi, destiny, I, Igwe, bones, O, Obo, hand, O, Obo, doctor, U, Unu, mouth, A, E, I, O, U. These are the pronunciation. The pronunciation you will get in these various sounds A, E, I, O, U. So let us compare it with what you have in English language. Let us see the differences so that you don't make mistake when you are using them. So we are looking at the comparison of Esan vowels with English vowels. You have the Esan, you have the English. The vowels in Esan language are used in one way without interchanging them for another word. Like in English, this is A. In Esan, this is A. This A remains A without changing. But in English, you can say action. You can also use it as able. This is A in Esan. This is E in English. So this one is used in one way. You don't use it in two ways. But you can hear evening here, evening, eve, in the case of this very one. Then you can also use it in another form. But here you have the in Esan language, as you have the or egg sound in English language. This is this E dotted gives you the as you have it here. This is English. The E here is the same thing with E here. As you have Ido, identify, you can use it. Irresponsible, you can use it, but here you can only use it once. Here you have the O and O, they are the same. O is here. Here you have the O in English, OR. This is O dotted. This is U in Esan language, and this is U in English. So wherever you find them, this pronunciation remains the same. It can never change in Esan language. A, E, O, U. So let's go to the other one. The nasal vowels, the vowels that are not attached to N, it's ordinary it's oral vowel. The one that is attached with N is called nasal vowel. We shall look into the nasal vowels. There are 5. Now we are looking at the nasal vowels. The nasal vowels, as you are seeing now, we have an, in, as we have in Aba. Aba means native handcuff. Eben. Eben means traditional sword, what is traditional rulers. Udi, pantry. Akon, teeth. Unu, mouth. We have the in, on. In, on. These are the nasal vowels. Now, all these that I've been teaching, you can find them in learning Esan language.net under Introduction to Esan Language. Now that we have finished the sounds in Esan language and letters of alphabet affecting them, we are going to look at a situation whereby these books that are recommended in Esan, they are all inside here. This is Introduction to Esan Language Book 1. You can find it here. You need to get one, and for you to get one, you should be able to contact the phone number 08023 365 383. By the time you contact the number, you should be able to get the book. If you are abroad, look at learnesan.org. The book is there. You can pay and download. If you cannot download, we can send to you through Google Drive. Now that we finish this very one, the assignment I'm giving to everybody is to memorize the letters of alphabet by heart, so that at the end of the day, you will not forget and be able to use them. Next time, we are going to treat how to form words using these letters of alphabet. Thank you.